Philip Duncan from Weather Watch TV on YouTube with your 7-day Pacific Islands forecast. Thanks very much for joining us. Well, not as dramatic this week as last week. We don't have any tropical cyclones showing up, although we do have a few more thunderstorms around, most of them up around the Solomon Islands and Papua New Guinea and around Australia. But elsewhere, not too bad, but we are seeing a few more thunderstorms dropping closer into Fiji, and you'll be noticing them this week, especially on the eastern side around places like Suva. It'll be a little bit more thundery over the days ahead. Here's the situation for the end of today, showing winds and air pressure. Now, last week we had an obvious storm over here. This week we do not. The darker shading is lower air pressure, but amongst that, there's no big sort of low pressure zones or any big storms, but we do have thunderstorms right here along the equator, smack bang where they should be, and they're drifting a little bit further southwards now, as obviously our days get longer here in the southern hemisphere. So let's start off with Wednesday. And like I say, not a lot of drama going on at the moment. Probably the biggest thing happening is out here around, right off the screen almost, Tahiti. A few thunderstorms for you in Papeete as we go through Wednesday with a high of 26 degrees. Elsewhere, not too bad. Long dry spells with those easterly winds. As we go through into Thursday, Norfolk Island, 21 degrees, mostly dry, but there is a southerly flow kicking in for you. Your temperatures are about to drop a little bit going in towards the weekend. Elsewhere, not too bad on Thursday, fairly dry across the South Pacific. As we go into Friday, this is when we start to see more thunderstorms. See the red line? That is, north of that is the true tropical moisture in the atmosphere. Heavy air is what we call it. So basically, you'll find more moisture, more humidity, more warmth north of that red line, and it is sliding down further over Fiji. So there'll be more thunderstorms around Suva as we go through Friday. Your temperature 29 degrees. On the other side, if you're in Nandi, 31 degrees, not quite so bad. And Alofi, 28 degrees for you and showers on the way. As we go through into Saturday, you can see those showers lingering around here, and we've still got more thunderstorms again on the eastern side of Fiji, more so for Suva than it is for Nandi on Saturday. Now, Norfolk Island, that south to southeasterly coming out of New Zealand will drop your temperatures, only around 19 degrees for you as you go in towards the weekend. Stays that way on Sunday, but high pressure over you by Sunday. So should be fairly sunny for Norfolk Island by then. Notice the downpours here. There's a line of them dropping further down towards Fiji. Again, the eastern side, because of the easterly winds, looks as though Suva has a higher risk of showers than Nandi does there on Sunday. Apia up in Samoa, you have a high of 32 degrees with that humidity. It's going to be pretty hot for you as we go through the weekend up around Samoa with showers. In fact, the showers continue here right through in Samoa to about Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. And let's have a look at Monday now, and that red line dropping down further towards Tonga. So you might get a few thunderstorms in the region here, especially in the northern side of Tonga as we go into Monday. And Noumea, 27, 28 degrees for you here on Monday. So pretty warm, considering it was only 20 degrees a couple of days, down further here in Norfolk Island. So warm weather coming in around New Caledonia and Vanuatu as well. Let's take a look at the northern hemisphere, see any storms for Hawaii. It's not too bad actually in Hawaii, just a few showers around. Rainfall not very high at all for them at the moment, but it is certainly stormy up here around the Aleutian Islands, going into Alaska, Anchorage. They are definitely seeing signs of winter approaching, just a couple of weeks away for them. And here to finally end with the 7-day rainfall outlook across the Pacific. The areas that you want to focus on, these colors here, where it goes red, purple, blue. Those are the colors for heavy rain, not down here with the pale blues and the greens. So you sort of notice areas like this. This is where you're seeing the heaviest rain, mostly north of Samoa, not around Tonga very much. But as we said, the eastern side of Fiji may be seeing a few more heavy showers, and certainly going up towards the Solomon Islands, you're getting some heavy rain there. But really, to be honest with you, it's not too bad across the Pacific, probably Tahiti and I'd say Samoa, probably seeing some of the heaviest rain around. But it is very hit and miss over the next week. And that is all from me. Thanks very much for joining us here at Weather Watch TV. We'll be back again on Thursday with our 7-day Australia-only forecast. And of course, we'll catch you again next Tuesday for our next Pacific Islands 7-day forecast.